Welcome back to Future Phone Flash. Today, we're diving into some exciting news about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you're eager to see what's next for high-end smartphones, you're in the right place. Let's explore the latest leaks and rumors surrounding this powerhouse device. Upgraded camera features. For those who love photography, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to keep the impressive 200-megapixel main camera and the 50-megapixel sensor with 5x optical zoom from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. There might also be improvements to the ultra-wide and telephoto sensors, promising enhanced photo quality and versatility. Key points: 200 megapixels main camera, 50MP sensor with 5x optical zoom, possible upgrades to ultra-wide and telephoto sensors, boosted battery and RAM. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to stick with the 5000 mAh battery seen in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, the real highlight might be the rumored 16GB of RAM, which would be double the capacity of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Key points: 5000 mAh battery, possible 16GB of RAM, significant RAM increase from the previous model. What to expect? The Galaxy S25 Ultra, along with the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus, is expected to launch in January next year. While leaks suggest these new models will have only minor updates over their predecessors, the rumored increase in RAM could significantly boost performance, especially for gaming and multitasking. Key points: launch expected in January. Minor updates from previous models. Potential improvements in gaming and multitasking. Outro. That's all for today's update on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If these rumors turn out to be true, Samsung's upcoming flagship could set new standards for smartphone performance. What do you think of the rumored features? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Future Phone Flash for all the latest tech news and updates. See you in the next video.